Michelle Rushing, broker for M&M Ranch Land Investments here in Mertzon, Texas. I would love to introduce you to this beautiful 80-acre piece of land just right outside the city limits of Mertzon, Texas, near San Angelo. This awesome property is a residential property. It has a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a beautiful deck, gorgeous view to the south and west of a pond, an 8-acre field, one of the 2 horse facilities, round pen, and gorgeous mature live oak trees all over it. The home sits up on the side of a hill. We've got rolling hills here in Mertzon. It looks just like the hill country. And then you've also got some bottomland. Live oak studded all over it, and there's good cover. That we're here in the Middle Concho watershed, where the deer hunting is amazing. So this place is a great horse property. It's also a good residential property sitting right in the wonderful community of Mertzon in Erie County. Mertzon is well known for its exemplary schools. Spring Creek runs right through the middle of it. It's just very close to San Angelo, and it's just a very loving community. So we want to introduce you to this property. If you have any questions, please call us. It can also be purchased with non-realty items such as a very nice tractor and implements, a bumper pull trailer, a side-by-side, and some things like that with a full price offer. So call us. We'd love to show you the property.